2020 has been a year, huh?
Today in Times Square, a cathartic kiss-off to COVID-19, symbolically shredding it.
Say good riddance to the coronavirus. Drop it on in there, bud.
It's no wonder this has been America's deadliest month of the pandemic. And yet, Washington is crawling with tourists.
Well, this has been our highlight of 2020.
The Koistras kept to themselves over Christmas, but had to come here from Indiana so mom Sherelle, an OBGYN, could renew her work visa.
Still trying to venture out and do things, but do it safely. So we keep to ourselves as a family. We do use the masks and a lot of hand sanitizer.
But not everyone is as cautious, and that's precisely why officials are worried. Yesterday saw the highest number of people pass through airport security since the beginning of the pandemic, more than 1.2 million, feeding fears of a post-holiday spike in cases.
It is really quite troubling.
Especially in California, where hospitals are already at capacity. Calling the surge a wave simply doesn't do it justice.
Just the magnitude of the amount of disease that we are seeing really needs to have a better term, which I think is tsunami. But now we really have a raging viral wildfire occurring here in California.
Despite the gravity of the situation, some are chafing against restrictions. This Beverly Hills restaurant busted for planning an indoor New Year's Eve speakeasy. Another problem, vaccine rollout is almost hopelessly behind. The target was 20 million doses into the arms of Americans by the end of this year.
We've only administered about 2 million doses in 2 weeks, so that's 1 million doses a week. That's not nearly fast enough.
Frustration, overburdened hospitals, and sluggish vaccinations all landing at the feet of a new president in a matter of weeks. Katie Nicholson, CBC News, Washington.